Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to find out where conditional formatting is being applied in a worksheet. So for example, this is the sheet that is here upon us, and we need to know that where conditional formatting has been applied. So it would be difficult for us to first of all see each and every cell and then go to here conditional formatting and then clear rules and clear rules from selected cell, clear rules from entire sheet. So it is difficult. We do not know where conditional formatting has been applied. So to see that, where we need to go is that we need to go first of all to home, and then in the editing toolbar, click here find and select. So find and select it, it automatically means that we need to find something. So we need to find where conditional formatting is applied in the worksheet. So go to find and select, and you can, do different things. You can find a particular word here. You can replace a particular word with something else, you know, like Rancho did in Three Idiots. Or you can just go to conditional formatting and see. This is the tab that is automatically selected once I clicked on conditional formatting. So it means that this is the cell where conditional formatting has been applied. And to check that, what we can do is that we can clear the rule from selected cell. And if I go again to conditional formatting, see, it shows that, right, that no cell were found. So because we removed that conditional formatting from here. So if I click on Control Z to undo it, and if I once again go to find and select and conditional formatting, it brings me to the same cell. So here it means that this is the cell where conditional formatting has been applied. So this was all about today's video on how to find out which cell and which cell conditional formatting has been applied. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you want to ask any question, please write down in the comment section. I would be very happy to answer it. And please do like this video to increase the reach of my channel. Thanks again.